Namaste dear children, I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see NCERT Classic Social Science Chapter 1 Locating Places on the Earth, Multiple Choice Questions and Answers. The explanation video for this chapter has already been uploaded. All the NCERT questions are solved. Those who have not seen those videos, please watch them. Multiple choice questions. First one, a dash is a representation or a drawing of some area. It may be a small area like a village, a town, etc. A bigger area, say your district or state, or a very large area like India or even the whole world. Options are option A plan, option B sketch, option C map. Which is the correct answer? Correct answer is option C map. A map is a representation or drawing of some area. Area can be small, large or very large. Second one, dash is a book or collection of maps. Options are option A map, option B an atlas, option C a plan. Which is the correct answer? Option B, an atlas. An atlas is a book or collection of maps. Next one, dash mainly shows some natural features such as mountains, oceans and rivers. Options are option A thematic maps, option B physical maps, option C political maps. Which is the correct answer? Option B physical maps. Physical maps show some natural features like mountains, oceans, rivers, etc. Next one. Which of the following is not an important component of maps? Options are option A distance, option B direction, option C symbols, option D globe. So which is not an important component of map? Option D globe. The three important components of maps are distance, direction and symbols. Next one. Dash show details of countries or states, boundaries, cities, etc. Options are option A thematic maps, option B political maps, option C physical maps. Correct answer is option B political maps. Political maps show details of countries, states, boundaries, cities, etc. Next one, which of the following are cardinal directions or cardinal points? Option A only north and west, option B southwest and northeast, option C north, south, east, west. So which of the following are cardinal directions or cardinal points? Option C north, south, east and west. These four directions are called cardinal directions or cardinal points. Next one, the directions northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest are called dash. Option A cardinal directions, option B cardinal points, option C intermediate directions. Which is the correct answer? Option C intermediate directions. Cardinal directions or cardinal points, they are north, south, east and west. Northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest, they are intermediate directions. Next one, what is the use of thematic maps? Option A, showing natural features like mountains, rivers, etc. Showing political boundaries, showing specific kind of information. So, which is the correct answer? Correct answer is option C, showing specific kind of information. Physical maps show natural features like mountains, rivers, etc. And political maps show political boundaries. Most maps simply have an arrow marked with the letter capital N which points to the dash direction. Option A northeast, option B northwest, option C north. Correct answer is option C north. Most maps they have an arrow marked with the letter capital N which points to which direction? North direction. Next one. A dash is a ratio that shows the relationship between distances on a map and the actual distances on the Earth's surface. Option A map scale, option B simple, option C direction, option D distance. Which is the correct answer? Option A map scale. A scale is a ratio that shows the relationship between actual distance on the Earth's surface and the distance on the map. A dash is used to represent features like different kinds of buildings, for example, a railway station, a school, a post office, then roads, railway lines, etc. Option A simple, option B distance, option C direction. Which is the correct answer? Option A simple. A symbol is used to represent features like different kinds of buildings, roads, railway lines, etc. Next one, mapping the earth is a little more difficult because option A, earth has rivers, earth is not a flat surface, earth has rocky areas. Which is the correct answer? Option B, earth is not a flat surface. Earth is like a sphere. So, mapping the earth is difficult. A globe will better represent the geography of the earth than a flat map. Why? Option A, globe is colorful. Option B, globe is more attractive. Option C, the globe and the earth have the same spherical shape. Correct answer is option C. The globe and the earth, they have the same spherical shape. So, a globe can better represent the geography of the earth than a map. A map is flat. Next one, dash measures the distance from the equator. Option A latitude, option B prime meridian, option C longitude. Correct answer is option A latitude. Latitude measures the distance from the equator. Latitudes are expressed in option A centimeter, option B kilometer, option C degrees. Correct answer is option C degrees. Latitudes are expressed in degrees. Next one, dash is latitude 0 degree. Which is 0 degree latitude? Options are option A Tropic of Cancer, option B prime meridian, option C equator. Which is 0 degree latitude? Equator. Equator is latitude 0 degree. Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. Then what about prime meridian? It is 0 degree longitude. The latitudes of the two poles are option A 80 degree north and 80 degree south, option B 45 degree north and 45 degree south, option C 90 degree north and 90 degree south. Correct answer is option C 90 degree north and 90 degree south. The north pole is 90 degree north and the south pole is 90 degree south. Next one, around the equator the climate is generally hot. This region is called dash zone. Option A torrid zone, option B temperate zone, option C frigid zone. Which is the correct answer? Option A torrid zone. Torrid is the zone near the equator and it is extremely hot. Next one, as you travel away from the equator towards one of the two poles, the climate becomes more moderate. This region is called dash. Option A frigid zone, option B temperate zone, option C torrid zone. Which is the correct answer? Option B, temperate zone. The two regions between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle, or the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle, they are called temperate zones. Next one, closer to the north or south pole, the climate grows colder. This region is called dash. Option A, frigid zone. Option B, temperate zone. Option C, torrid zone. Correct answer is option A, frigid zone. Frigid zone is the coldest zone. What are called meridians of longitude? Option A, equator. Option B, imaginary lines running parallel to equator. Imaginary lines running from the north pole to the south pole. Which is the correct answer? Option C, imaginary lines running from the north pole to the south pole. They are called meridians of longitude. Imaginary lines running parallel to equator, they are called parallels of latitude or simply latitudes. Okay. Next one, to measure longitudes, we need to define a reference point called the dash. Option A, prime meridian. Option B, equator. Option C, Tropic of Capricorn. Which is the correct answer? Option A, prime meridian. The reference point used to measure longitudes is prime meridian. Prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. Prime meridian is also called dash. Option A, equator. Option B, Tropic of Cancer. Option C, Greenwich meridian. Which is the correct answer? Option C, Greenwich meridian. Prime meridian is also called Greenwich meridian. Next one, prime meridian is passing through dash. Option A, Japan. Option B, China. Option C, Greenwich, London. Correct answer is Greenwich, London. Prime meridian is passing through Greenwich, London. So it is called Greenwich meridian. Prime meridian is marked as option A, 0 degree longitude. Option B, 90 degree latitude. Option D, 0 degree latitude. Which is the correct answer? Option A, 0 degree longitude. Prime meridian is marked as 0 degree longitude. Equator is 0 degree latitude. Next one, dash is a measure of the distance from the prime meridian if you travel along the equator. Option A, longitude. Option B, latitude. Option C, Tropic of Cancer. Correct answer is option A, longitude. Longitude is a measure of the distance from the prime meridian if you travel along the equator. New York's longitude is 77 degree east, 74 degree west, 140 degree east. Correct answer is 74 degree west. Next one, India had a prime meridian of its own. It was called Madhya Rekha or middle line and passed through the city of Dash, which was a reputed center for astronomy over many centuries. Option A, Kochi. Option B, Mumbai. Option C, Ujjain. Correct answer is option C, Ujjain. This was a reputed center for astronomy over many centuries. How many degrees does the earth rotate in 1 hour? Option A, 15 degree. Option B, 45 degree. Option C, 10 degree. Option D, 36 degree. Correct answer is option A, 15 degree. Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. That is, in 24 hours, Earth completes one full turn. That is 360 degree. So, in 1 hour, 360 by 24, that is 15 degree. So, Earth rotates 15 degree in 1 hour. Next one, Indian Standard Time IST is dash of the local time at Greenwich, called Greenwich Mean Time or GMT. Option A, 5 hours 30 minutes behind. Option B, 5 hours ahead. Option C, 5 hours 30 minutes ahead. Correct answer is option C, 5 hours 30 minutes ahead. Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of the local time at Greenwich. The USA has dash time zones and Russia has dash. Options are option A 10, 9, option B 6, 11, option C 6, 6. Correct answer is option B 6, 11. USA has 6 time zones and Russia has 11 time zones. Next one, the international date line is option A line at approximately 180 degree longitude, a line at 90 degree longitude, a line at 0 degree latitude. Correct answer is a line at approximately 180 degree longitude. Earth spins around its axis, making a full turn every option A 365 days, option B 24 hours, option C 15 hours. Correct answer is option B 24 hours. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Next one, the symbol, see this symbol on map represents what? Option A road, option B railway line, option C canal, option D bridge. Correct answer is option D bridge. This symbol represents bridge. If it is 1 p.m. at Greenwich 0 degree longitude, it would be dash at a place 45 degree east. Options are 10 a.m., 4 p.m., 1 p.m. Correct answer is option B 4 p.m. Why? The earth rotates 360 degrees in 24 hours, meaning 15 degrees of longitude correspond to 1 hour of time difference. See, 24 hours, in 24 hours, earth rotates 360 degrees. So, in 1 hour, 360 divided by 24, that is 15 degrees. So, 15 degrees of longitude correspond to 1 hour of time difference. See, for every 15 degrees of longitude east of Greenwich, the time is 1 hour ahead. Here it is east. So, ahead. Time is ahead. So, 45 degrees east is 45 by 15, that is 3 hours ahead of Greenwich. If it is 1 p.m. at Greenwich, then at 45 degree east, it would be 1 p.m. plus 3 hours, that is 4 p.m. Then there is a similar question. If it is 1 p.m. at Greenwich, it would be dash at a place 45 degree west. Here it is west. Answer, see the options are 10 a.m., 4 p.m., 1 p.m. Correct answer is 10 a.m. Here it is 45 degree west. So, it is 3 hours behind Greenwich. So, it is 10 a.m. Children, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. The playlist for various subjects are given in the description box. Please go through it. Thank you.